The menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle is a natural process that occurs in the reproductive system of females. It involves a series of physiological changes that prepare the body for potential pregnancy. The cycle typically lasts around 28 days, but it can vary from person to person. The menstrual cycle begins on the first day of menstruation, which is commonly referred to as the period. During this phase, the lining of the uterus, known as the endometrium, is shed through the vagina. This shedding is accompanied by bleeding that can last anywhere from 3 to 7 days. After menstruation, the body enters the follicular phase. During this phase, the pituitary gland in the brain releases follicle-stimulating hormone ESH, which stimulates the ovaries to produce follicles. Each follicle contains an egg. As the follicular phase progresses, one follicle becomes dominant and continues to develop while the others degenerate. This dominant follicle releases estrogen, which causes the endometrium to thicken in preparation for a potential pregnancy. Around the middle of the cycle, ovulation occurs. Ovulation is the release of the mature egg from the ovary into the fallopian tube. This is typically triggered by a surge in luteinizing hormone LH from the pituitary gland. The egg is then available for fertilization by sperm. Following ovulation, the body enters the luteal phase. During this phase, the ruptured follicle transforms into a structure called the corpus luteum, which produces progesterone. Progesterone helps to further thicken the endometrium and prepare it for implantation of a fertilized egg. If fertilization does not occur, the corpus luteum will degenerate and hormone levels will drop. This signals the start of a new menstrual cycle, and the process begins again with menstruation. It is important to note that the length and regularity of the menstrual cycle can vary from person to person. Factors such as stress, hormonal imbalances, and certain medical conditions can affect the timing and duration of the cycle. Understanding the menstrual cycle is crucial for reproductive health and family planning. Tracking the cycle can help individuals identify their fertile window, which is the time when pregnancy is most likely to occur. It can also aid in identifying any irregularities or potential health issues that may require medical attention. Overall, the menstrual cycle is a normal and essential part of a person's reproductive system. While it may sometimes be accompanied by discomfort or inconvenience, it serves as a vital process in the body's ability to conceive and sustain a pregnancy.